Hi everyone, this is Nancy coming to you for both Mini Album Makers Challenge blog and using a great book designed by Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. It is a piano hinge book and I'm going to show you how to put it together. First of all, these are pre-cut, pre-scored by Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, so that's great, easy to use. They come 6 in a package, although I want to start and end with black cardstock. You can purchase these with either all black, all craft, or a combination of both. I am doing a combination of both, and I'm only using 5 so I can start and end with the black. So I'm going to take this one, put it aside for a minute, and show you how to put these together. Start with 1, and you'll see that it is pre-scored, pre-cut. Everything's done for you. You're only going to use 3 of these hinges, and we'll count them together. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the first one, you're only using 3, and you're using every other one. I start with the first one. I don't use the second right now, so I'm going to pinch that inside. I want the third. I'm not going to use the fourth, so I pinch that inside, and now you can see I have 3 hinges. So I'm using a skewer to put these together. So I'm taking my skewer into the first one, and then I need my second piece, and I'm using the opposite of what I just used. So I'm punching in the first, I'm keeping the second, I'm folding in the third, whoops, keeping in the fourth, and folding in the fifth. So now I have exactly the opposite of what I had, get in there buddy, what I had on my first one. So now the black, you can see, is first, third, and fifth, and the craft is second and fourth. So now we're going to take a skewer and thread it through the first of the black, the second of the craft, the third of the black, the fourth of the craft, and the fifth of the black. And now I have 2 pages that are hinged together. Great, huh? Alright, now I'm going on the inside because I want to add another page. Sorry about that. I'm going on the inside, and I'm going to push out the hinges that I did not use on the craft. Well, this little guy's not cooperating. There we go. Then I'm going to take my black. On the craft, I now have the first, the third, and the fifth that are open. I haven't used them. There they are. So on the black, I'm going to use the second and the fourth only. So I'm going to punch those 2 in. I say punch, and I should say fold. Oh well, you get the idea. So now I'm going to take another skewer, and I'm going in the first of the craft. Whoop. The second of the black. The third of the craft. The fourth of the black, and the fifth of the craft. So now I have 3 pages hinged together. Black, craft, and black again. Cool, huh? Alright, next page. I'm taking those folds that I have not used of the black, the last page entered, folding those hinges out that I haven't used before. So now the hinges that I haven't used on the black are now my first, third, and fifth. So I'm taking my craft And I'm not using the first, third, or fifth, so I'm going to fold those in towards the center of that page, because we want to use the opposite. Every page uses the opposite. Okay, here we go. So I'll take another skewer. I'm going in the first hinge, which is the black. The second hinge is the craft. Third is the black. Get in there, little guy. Fourth is the craft. And the fifth is the black. Come on, baby. And now I have 4 sections hinged together with every other one. Isn't that cool? Piano hinge. Okay, last one. I'm going to end with the black. My last page, I had 2 craft hinges. So now I'm going to take those extra craft hinges that are laying on the inside, fold them out. So now, here is my first, third, and fifth hinge that I haven't used yet. Since I'm using my first, third, and fifth hinge on the craft, I'm going to fold those hinges inward on my black. So the hinges that are now showing on the black are the second and the fourth. I'm going to place it next to the craft. Take another skewer. I start with the first hinge, which is craft, then black, then craft, then black, then craft. And my book is done. Cool, huh? Now, I will trim these skewers down. I don't want those points. That's kind of obnoxious. So I will trim those skewers down and do something decorative on the top. And I will definitely decorate the book, which you will see on my blog. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for coming by. Bye.